उस परंपरा को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं जो पिछले 38 वर्षों में भारतीय लोक कला और संस्कृति को जीवंत रखे हुए है। इस वर्ष मेले के जो थीम भी रखा गया है वो थीम लोकल टू ग्लोबल और आत्मनिर्भर भारत की पहचान है। यह थीम हमारे देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के उस सपने का ये प्रतिबिंब है जिसमें वे भारत के हर कोने में बैठे हुए हुनरमंद हाथ को वैश्विक बाजार से जोड़ना चाहते हैं। हरियाणा सरकार पर्यटन को बढ़ावा देने के लिए निरंतर प्रयास कर रही है। हमारा मानना है कि पर्यटन विकास का एक ऐसा इंजन है जो रोजगार के सबसे अधिक अवसर पैदा करता है। साथियों, सूरजकुंड मेला इसका प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण है। अगले 15 दिनों तक यानी कि 15 फरवरी तक यह स्थान लाखों पर्यटकों की चहल पहल से ये गूंजेगा।
With more than 32 countries participating this year, this fair is true embodiment of timeless Indian philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family, bringing together the nations, cultures and the crafts under one shared roof. That is our Mela today. It brings together the hands that create. It brings together that minds that innovative. And it brings together the traditions that define many countries. For nearly 4 decades, this Mela has been providing a global platform to our artisans, weavers, sculptors, painters, and folk performers, many of whom carry forward skills passed down through generations. It is the training given by our elders that is continuing even today. We have seen the cultural festival representing the whole country. Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, that is what we have seen today, a wonderful performance by the youngsters. The focus this year is on Atmanirbhar Bharat adds deeper meaning to this event. Our artisans are the custodians of centuries-old knowledge, and empowering them is essential to build the strong, inclusive and sustainable economy. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shriman Narendra Modi ji, India's ritual cultural heritage and the traditional handicrafts sector have over the last decade been placed at the heart of our national renaissance. This transformative initiative like the Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman Yojana are providing end-to-end support, skill development and economic empowerment to our artisans and craftspeople, strengthening the very ecosystem that sustains our old age crafts and artisanal traditions. I am also happy to note that the theme states for this year's fair are Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya, 2 states that represent the remarkable diversity and our great unity of India. Uttar Pradesh, the heartland of Bharat, is a cradle of ancient civilization and artistic mastery. From the unique Jardoji of Lucknow, the world-renowned Banarasi silk, the brassware of Moradabad, and the blue pottery of Agra, to the delicate Chichinkari embroidery, Uttar Pradesh showcases a legacy where craftsmanship meets refined mind. These traditions are just crafts and we never think it is just a crafts. They are the stories woven in silk, etched in metal, and integrated with the history of this great nation. This land of clouds, Meghalaya, offers a striking, different, yet equally rich cultural tapestry. That is the greatness of Meghalaya. Its hand-woven textiles, bamboo and can crafts, wood carving and vibrant indigenous art reflect a deep harmony between the nature and the human creativity. The craftsmanship of Meghalaya speaks of sustainability, community and respect for the environment, values that are increasingly vital in today's modern world. Together, Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya beautifully illustrate the idea of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, where diversity is not a division, but it is a great strength. I also extend a warm welcome to the Egypt, the partner country for this year's fair. We have visited their stall. What a great tradition they were having, and the great craftsmanship their ancestors has passed even to this present generation. This is the most appreciable thing. Egypt's ancient civilization, artistic excellence, and cultural depth resonate strongly with India's own historical journey. The partnership strengthens people-to-people ties and reinforces cultural diplomacy as a bridge between the two nations. The Surajkund Mela has over the years played a crucial role in empowering the artisans, many of whom come from the rural and the tribal regions. And that is the greatness of this great Mela. By providing direct market connection, this platform ensures fair recognition, economic dignity, and global visibility for our craft communities. In an age of mass production, such initiatives remind us of the irreplaceable value of the handmade, the authentic, and the human touch. Machineries are making so many things on a large scale, but that will never give you so much of happiness when you see a product made by hand. That is the greatness of our artisans all over the world.